Hello guys, I am David, and welcome to Bing Bing Coffee. Today we are gonna talking about to find time for meditation and stick with it long enough to matter. Surely you know well that meditation has very good positive impacts on our lives, and science also accepts that meditation can help you get out of stress, tension, sadness, and many more dire conditions. But what is more important after choosing the right meditation techniques? Surely the consistency with your meditation practices. Suppose you choose the meditation and practice it 1 or 2 times. Will it benefit you? My answer is no. It is not magic to achieve your target with 1 or 2 times meditation practice. For getting better results from meditation, the mediators recommend practicing the meditation techniques regularly and with consistency if you want permanent results. Surely question comes to your mind that is it true that you need a consistent meditation to get positive and permanent results of meditation? I will discuss how to find the time for meditation and stick with it long enough matters with you. My answer to that question is yes. Yes, the consistency in your meditation practice and best time to meditate shows great impacts on meditation. All of the excuses that most we heard from the people to avoid meditating is that they do not have time to meditate. People say that they cannot indeed 10 to 20 minutes in their routines to meditate, but they can easily sleep for extended hours. They have time to check their Facebook accounts, and they have the time to watch movies. In short, they have many minutes to waste on unnecessary activities, but they do not have few minutes to meditate. Only finding the 20 minutes during their routine for meditation becomes a big challenge for them. You will wonder to hear the comments of an expert mediator. Do you know what the best mediator, Mr. Zen, says about finding time for meditation? Mr. Zen says if you are facing any issue in finding 15 minutes to meditate in a day, you should meditate for an extended hour in a day. Do you wonder to hear that? What does it mean? If you cannot find only 15 minutes in a day to meditate, then how can you meditate for an hour? What does it mean? What is the sense of that saying? No worry, the sense is not complex. It is quite simple. If you cannot find only 15 minutes for you in a day due to your hectic life, you should take steps back and think about your priorities. You should need to stop your life and react on why you need to take care of your mental health and why you feel that you should take back steps. There is no doubt that you will complete more work when you work for more time, but it is not true after a certain level. Not only humans, but also machines cannot work for long hours, and they need some relaxation. You may work hard for long hours, but after a certain level, your efforts will become loose instead of becoming productive, and you will instead of gain lose your productivity. Everyone has some aims and objectives in their lives. To reach the goals, they need to work hard, but it does not mean to work all the time. A mediator, Mr. Stephen, says that when you will work for more time, it will blunt the saw, and you surely need to sharpen the saw by giving some time. Why is continuous working forbidden? To perform any task successfully, your mental health has great importance. No matter how powerful you are, it will become hard for you to survive and perform your duties when your mind is tired. Your mind needs relaxation, but your mind becomes stressed and overwhelmed with many thoughts when you work for continuous hours, affecting your performance. With such a condition, your mind remains absent from where it should be, so working without feelings and emotions is just a wastage of time. You may wonder why I'm explaining all such things to you. It is essential to explain because meditation can help you a lot and contribute a big hand to your success. When a person says that he does not have time to meditate, he does not think that meditation is important. But if you are one of them, you are missing one of the big opportunities to reach quickly to your goals. Meditation plays an effective in reducing stress and depression and makes your mind fresh and active, improving your performance level. It is necessary for everyone to meditate and should find enough time to meditate and follow the meditation practices with consistency. What is the best time for you to meditate? It also counts that you should find the best time to meditate. But what is the best time to meditate? When it comes to the best time to meditate, then there is no best time to meditate. Any time when you do not have any burden about any work is the best time to meditate. You can schedule your time to meditate according to your routines. But in practice, most people prefer to meditate in the morning. Why morning? Morning is the time when your mind is fresh after taking long hours of sleep, and we have the least thoughts and emotions in the morning. For many people, it is easy to find some minutes to meditate. If you plan to practice meditation during the day or before night, your preference to meditate will decrease due to tiredness and the burden of other activities. Some people also meditate in the evening to reduce tiredness, stress, and a plethora of many other reasons. The experts recommend the early morning is the best time to meditate when other people are sleeping. It is when you have the least distractions. It is also helpful to start a day with freshness. It makes you active and enthusiastic about productively spending your day. I have also heard that late at night, just before sleeping, you can meditate, and it is also the time of least distractions. When you meditate late at night, it makes your mind calm, and you take proper sleep and get up in the morning with a fresh mind. Your fresh morning also energizes you to start your day with better planning and with more condensed. But if you could not find the time in the morning or late at night, try to find the time when you are less distracted. Choose the same time and place. If you face difficulty making it your habit to meditate every day, you should choose the same time and place for meditation to establish a meditation habit. Experts also say that when it comes to meditation, when you choose the dedicated place for meditation, it also helps you remove such obstacles and adopt meditation as your habit. When you choose the same time and place consistently for some days, it becomes your habit and you miss the place and time. Every day at the same time, you want to go to the same place for meditation. So I will recommend you to choose the best place for you to meditate and practice the meditation techniques every day at the same time. When you meditate at the same time at the same place, then it becomes your habit and you feel relaxed when you go to that place. Always keep the backup plans. Ups and downs are part of everyone's life, but it is also important to maintain consistency to meditate on your habit. If someday, due to unexpected events, you have missed the meditation, then it is better to meditate some other time. It is better to meditate instead of skipping your routine. Suppose you are habitual of meditating in the morning, but you leave your home early in the morning and cannot practice meditation due to some busy routine. You can also meditate in the evening after your busy routine. Do not expect unrealistic results. Meditation is a good thing to cure tension and stress to keep your mental health good, but it does not mean that meditation is magic and it will remove all of your problems in just a few days. It will take time. You may practice it for many months to get its better results, so never bind unrealistic and too early results. Otherwise, you will leave it when you do not get early results. Join a company of friends or groups. It is also a good idea to join your friends who also practice meditation or join a meditation group. Then you will easily share your feelings and expectations. You will also get the right ways to choose the best techniques for meditation. Finally, meditation has great benefits for mental and overall health and also increases efficiency and productivity. But it is also necessary to meditate properly and find time for meditation and stick with it long to get better and expected results.